AI just got real. OpenAI is officially stepping back into robotics with humanoid robots. After a big pause in 2021, what's driving their comeback? Let's dive into the cutting-edge world of OpenAI's latest bold move. Humanoid robots have long been a futuristic dream, but OpenAI might just make it reality. After shutting down their robotics unit in 2021, the company has refocused, partnering with leading startups like Figure AI and securing funding from tech titans like Microsoft. Together, they aim to revolutionize how robots integrate into industries like manufacturing and logistics. But this isn't just talk. OpenAI's language and visual AI models now power the Figure 01 robot, a game changer with real-time processing capabilities. 1. Strategic partnerships. Collaborating with Figure AI and raising over $675 million in funding, OpenAI's tech is being combined with robotic engineering to create humanoids that think, learn, and act autonomously. 2. Real-time capabilities. Picture this: robots holding real conversations, understanding complex commands, and moving fluidly across factory floors. Figure 01, OpenAI's showcase robot, isn't just agile. It's smart, adapting tasks on the fly and assisting in critical operations where human help is scarce. 3. Industry transformation. From reducing labor shortages to improving safety in warehouses, these advancements hint at a future where AI doesn't just think but acts on a very human level. And yes, humanoid robots could soon become your office assistant, warehouse colleague, or even retail helper. This move positions OpenAI as a key player in shaping the robotic future. But what's your take? Are we ready for a world where robots and humans collaborate daily? Drop your thoughts below, and if you love this, smash that like button, subscribe, and share for more cutting-edge updates from the world of AI. Your engagement fuels our deep dives into tomorrow's tech.